Stan Gibilisco here, proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1GV. Whiskey 1 Good Vibrations. Here to ask you another question. Eagerly awaiting your input on this one. Suppose you have a high noise QTH, as I do, and you're not really sure whether the interference is local or not. There are a lot of ways you can find out whether it's coming from your house or whether it's coming from your immediate neighborhood or not. You can carry a portable shortwave radio around, just walk around the streets, see whether the noise gets quieter when you walk away from your house. You can use a mobile radio to find out whether noise is local or not. That's a better way. How local is a good question also. But sometimes noise that sounds like it would probably be local is actually widespread. And unless you try one or both of the methods I just mentioned, you may never know. So those are the two I would suggest. But if you have other ideas, I'd sure like to hear about them. I'm sure a lot of other hams would like to hear about them too. So I'm going to leave comments open again, and we'll see what you have to say. Stan Gibilisco signing off, saying 73. And so long for now. So long, translating in my favorite fist to da-da-da-da-da-da.